Hey guys, welcome back to FAMCO. My name is Miguel, Manufacturing Manager, and today we're going to talk about our Builder Series wall vent. This is our economical line of wall vents, which offers all the performance that you expect, but at 20% savings. This makes it a great option for our residential or commercial builders. This vent is available on our traditional screen, damper, and tube configurations. This vent is available in 4, 6, and 8, and it ships in pallet quantities. The Builder Series is available in 28 gauge galvanized steel with pre-painted options like black, brown, and white. Or you can purchase the Builder Series in our paint lock material. This offers up to 25% in savings over our pre-painted options. This allows you for more customization with the ability to pre-paint to the color match of the house. If you have any questions or would like to know more about this product, you can visit our website at famcomfg.com or contact sales@famcomfg.com. Thanks for watching.